Anisole to 2-methoxy acetophenone. Structure of anisole is basically a ether. There is OCH3 group bonded to the benzene ring. 2-methoxy acetophenone. Acetophenone means the main compound is ketone. So this is the structure of acetophenone, CO, CH3, and 2-methoxy acetophenone will be, this is the first carbon, and on the second carbon there will be OCH3 group. So this is 2-methoxy acetophenone. So anisole to 2-methoxy acetophenone, how to do this conversion? Treat anisole with CH3COCl in the presence of AlCl3. The product found will be 2-methoxy acetophenone. This reaction is known as Friedel-Crafts reaction. Now point to be noted, this is anisole, which is a ether. The functional group is ether. This is 2-methoxy acetophenone. Now in this compound, that is 2-methoxy acetophenone, both carbonyl group is present as well as ether group is present, but the carbonyl group is more reactive than ether. Therefore carbonyl group will be treated as the functional group, because most of the properties shown by this compound will be of ketone. So carbonyl group is treated as the functional group and OCH3 group is treated as a substituent. And as far as mechanism of Friedel-Crafts reaction is concerned, CH3COCl plus AlCl3 forms CH3CO plus AlCl4 minus. Here what happens? The bond between carbonyl carbon and chlorine breaks. Both the bond pair of electrons go to chlorine. The carbonyl carbon gets positive charge. Chlorine leaves as chloride ion, combines with AlCl3 to give AlCl4 minus. Now this carbonyl carbon containing positive charge, so this CH3CO group acts as electrophile. It will attack the benzene ring and a hydrogen is substituted by this CH3CO group. Hydrogen of the benzene ring is substituted by this CH3CO group. So this is the mechanism of Friedel-Crafts reaction. While doing the conversion, first identify the reactant and the product, and then identify the group which is getting introduced in the product. For example, in this conversion, when anisole is changing to 2-methoxy acetophenone, CH3CO group is getting substituted on the benzene ring. So next step is to decide how to substitute CH3CO group. For that, Friedel-Crafts reaction will be used. Since in this conversion, a CH3CO group, which is also known as acyl group, is getting substituted on the benzene ring. Therefore, this reaction is also known as Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction.